Hey guys! Alright, so I started out with an outline. I'm using a light concealer from BH Cosmetics. And I'm making an outline as if my face was melting from the top to the chin. Okay, now I'm starting on my eyebrows. I'm using Dip Brow Pomade in the color Auburn, and I'm making a dip in the eyebrow in the middle, and also make sure you make a dip on the top of the eyebrow. In the same spot, you make it dip below the eyebrow. Starting on my eyes, I'm taking DFX White water-based face paint, and I'm starting from where the white of my eyes starts and bringing it down into a drip formation. I added some pink in the corner to mimic the corner of my eyes. It's more of a peach color though, so I changed it later. And now I'm starting with the black. I'm using Wolf water-based face paint, and I'm starting where my eyeliner starts and ends. That's where I'm starting my line. And then working on my iris, I'm using green, and then I'm going to darken up that green with a little brown. Here I'm using a green shadow. This is from Elisa Griffith's palette, and then I'm changing over to a brown to try and match my eye color. Make sure to bring that color right onto your waterline to connect with your iris. And now I'm using white powder for the white of the eyes right on that waterline, and I'm going to take my white DFX White and go in between the black line to make it look like it's the waterline, just dripping lower than the actual waterline. Okay, I placed that same light concealer right underneath the eye, and then brown shadow right underneath that. And now I'm doing the same to the eyebrow, adding that highlight with the light concealer and then adding a shadow underneath with the brown. Okay, for the nose, you're going to go in and bring down the sides of your nose with black and make a new nostril, melting down. And then took the brown shadow and extended the ends of my nostrils, the center, and connected it to that black line. I highlighted that skin so that it would look as if it's dropping down, and also highlighted right underneath. Now I'm taking black and making a thin outline of the center. For the lips, I took Fab Pink, and I'm dripping down in various places on the top lip, leaving some skin exposed, and then bringing it down underneath my bottom lip to make it look like it's dripping down. I left 2 spaces on the lower lip, and those I'm going to make black, so make it look like just the inside of my mouth. Okay, I added a highlight right on top of the lip and a shadow underneath the drips coming down. I also added that shadow right on the edges of the bottom lip. Now I'm adding black shadow to deepen up that black. I started with a thin outline around the edges of the dripping face to make sure I liked the shape, and then I made a light shadow right underneath that concealer I put in the first place. Made sure to highlight the rest of the edges, and then I'm going to darken in the outside with black. I put on a black wig so I wouldn't have to bring the black all the way up to my hairline, and that was the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is my attempt at the melting face. My face is melting. So I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more makeup illusions in this series. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you, bye!